Hello everybody! Apparently Aabid here. Today I have this Yishin timer, but I'm going to be like practicing with this. But also at the same time I'm going to be unboxing the GAN 11M Pro. So if you do not know, or if you have not seen this video, a person called Tymon, or however you say his name, he's Polish. He got a 5.09 world record average with this cube. So if you do not know, I like cubes, I like Rubik's cubes, I like different types of cubes. I know my main is the GAN Cube. I main the 356X. This is the first time I am seeing this cubes. I haven't seen the 356XS, but I'm gonna do an unboxing of a special cube, the GAN 11M Pro. If you want to know about it, I'll put a website link of GAN in the description below. But without further ado, let's unbox this. So today I'm gonna find a way to cut it open. I'm gonna use one of my keys especially just to grab an outside layer. I'm gonna grab like this part. So I've made like a tear in this part. Also it says made in China. I can't even read Chinese, so good luck if you can. This is a very satisfying box itself. Also, this box is shiny. Just look at it. Look how shiny this looks. So we open it up. Nothing here. So we have a GAN 11M Pro card. This is like some promotion card. Also, it's very shiny. It's so satisfying when you look at it. So here's a GAN 11M Pro. A beginner tutorial. Oh, it takes like $5 to learn it. Also, that's a free pin code somewhere. I don't really need it. I know how to solve the cube already. So this is what we want to see. Nothing in the box yet. I'm just gonna put that in here for like decoration and all that. So before we get into the main part, let's go and take a look at this box itself. Okay, this is very, very interesting. We have a GAN bag. I really like bags that you put a cube in. I know the 356X had one, and I do have it with me. It's very old, but I can't show you that. We're gonna show you. Wow, this is a very interesting tool. I've never ever seen it. It's pretty small. This is a flathead screw driver. Not sure what size it is, but we're gonna put that to the side. We have more stuff here. This is the GAN 11 Pro. These looks like some spring adjustments or even magnets. A very long paperwork. It's very strange. I will hold that to the side. We have what GAN normally does is this. Okay, this is what I like the most. I find this very tedious. But if you look carefully, these are all the GAN stuff. Also, when you turn it the other way around, it shows you how to do, you know, the CFOP. People talk about RU, ZBLL, beginner's method. The advance of beginner's method is CFOP. There's a cross. It doesn't really tell you how to do the cross. It shows you how to do the first two layers. Although it's where you stop the layer, and PLL is how you permutate. It's very, very cool. I'm not sure if you would recommend it. I enjoy looking at them during my time to time. I used to have a laminated one, but I don't actually. Wait, I have it. I have a laminated one which I can show you. Yeah, this is my laminated one. I would even like go back to take a look at these. This is from the GAN 356 Air, which I had back then. back then in the day. Now, let's take a look at this. This one is very unique. I'm not exactly sure what this is. So these are this is not what I thought it would be. They seem to be magnets. Magnets from corners. Also, they seem to be like springs and all. I'm very lost with this at the moment. It's something with like the center cap and the center magnets. But I would say the design actually speaks for itself. But let's take a look at one of these. They're like one of the corner magnets. Also, it has shape. This one's a triangle. This one is a hexagon. Take a look at these shapes very closely. I need it facing the right way. There are other shapes as well. I really do not know exactly. But let's get into the GAN 11M Pro Cube itself. So I guess we hold this. Oh, that sounds fine. Wait, just look at this. It's so cool. The cube. Okay, there's a bit of like a tiny dust on this. I plan to put. I often put like I put like a sticky tape to keep this logo still. This is a stickless cube. Before we start spinning, let's go and take a look. Man, these are tight. It also has a honeycomb pattern. It feels tight. So there's not like a certain adjustment, but it's very unique and weird. All right, let's give it some spin. I'll do NEPM. The EPM? I don't know. It's very smooth. I know it's tight. And there's some corner cutting. Let's do reverse corner cutting. Wait, what the heck? This is 45 degree. This is 45. This is a bit over 45. This is weird. This is such a very weird cube. All right, I'm gonna do a solve. I'm gonna do like 2 or 3 solves on this cube, but we'll see. Oh, 20.476. I feel I was gonna get like a 21. I didn't felt that much of locking up. 17.584. What? This cube is very weird. To be honest, I kind of feel like this cube will be my main. Let's do one more, and I'll give you my final thoughts. I have not even done tensioning. This is in stock form. What is with this cube? That is so good. Like, hold on, I did an EPIRB. EPIRB is so smooth. I didn't even feel I'm struggling with a Z-perm. This is crazy. I slipped off there. So, I want to give my thoughts. Let's do another one. I feel I'm going to get addictive into this cube. Like, this cube is insane. Okay. My hands are almost warm. So, it's very good. I'm gonna get another under 20-second solve, and then I want to comment on it. So this cube, I really want to say, this cube hasn't been lubed yet. So I wonder why. This cube feels so good. I really want to say I could master it a bit more. This cube, it's very strange. It feels like a bit sandy. I know this is just new, but it's very fluid and smooth. I really want to say this cube is really good for any level in competition. I don't feel there's not much of a lockup situation. It feels much better than any cube that I have. I know I have like a Moyu MFRS 3M, and if I have a GAN like 356 AUM, like the new cubes, especially this, it's very smooth. I know I get GAN lockups, which is pretty normal, but it's very smooth. It's crazy. Let's do this one again. Oh my goodness. This cube, the GAN 11 and Pro, is amazing. This is apparently Aabid. Thank you all for watching. GAN Cube.